Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Shakila Tarizardana with NIM 23313037 from Class B, English for Academic Purpose, Universitas Islam Indonesia. Today, I will explain the journal article about the effect of product quality, price, and brand image on motorcycle purchasing decision, written by Dedi Pradana, Sharifah Hudayah, and Rahmawati. With this argument, I divided it into several outlines. The first is introduction, the second is theoretical review, the third is hypothesis, the fourth is methodology, the fifth is discussion, the sixth is conclusion, and the last is reference. So, this is my introduction. Price, product quality, and brand image overrated by a company can be factors that consumers consider in buying a motorcycle. And then the phenomena of highly competitive competition is what make research want to know whether price, product quality, and brand image factor can be factor that consumers consider in making decision to buy motorcycle. Next, theoretical review. First, according Kotler and Armstrong, price is one of the determining factor in brand selection related to consumer purchasing decision with the match between price and quality. According Kotler, product quality is a characteristic of a product or service that depends on its ability to satisfy stated or implied consumer needs. According Sutisna, brand image is the overall perception of a product or brand formed from information and past experience with the product of brand. According Kotler and Keller, purchasing decision are customer decision regarding preference for brand in the choices. This is a journal article hypothesis. I take from the independent variable x1, x2, and x3, which make the dependent variable good purchase decision. Next is methodology. Type of research is descriptive quantitative. Analytic method. First, multiply regression, t-test, and analysis of variance or ANOVA. And data source from Journal of Management and Business, Internet and Journal article website, and then data from regression analysis of SPSS version. Multiply regression, a data analysis technique used to examine the relationship between several variables and predict a variable. In multiple regression analysis, the independent variable is more than one and affect the dependent variable. Y equal 9619 plus 0.255 for x1 plus 0.068 for x2 plus 0.179 for x3 will increase by 0.255%. The coefficient is positive, meaning that the price effect has a positive effect on the decision to purchase goods. The greater the price effect, the higher the decision to purchase goods. The regression coefficient of the price effect variable x1 is 0.255, meaning that if the other independent variables are constant and the price effect has increased by 1%, that decision to purchase goods will increase by 0. The regression coefficient of the product quality variable x2 is 0.068, meaning that if the other independent variables are constant and the product quality x2 increases by 1%, the decision to purchase goods will increases by 0.068%. The coefficient is positive, meaning that product quality has a positive effect on the decision to purchase goods. The greater the product quality, the higher the decision to purchase goods. The regression coefficient of the brand image variable 3 is 0.179, meaning that in the other independent variable are contents and the brand image increases by 1%. The decision to purchase goods will increases by 0.179%. The coefficient is positive, meaning that brand image positive effect on the quality of purchasing goods. The greater the brand image, the higher the decision to purchase goods. Second, with t-test method, a statistical method used to test the difference in means between two groups of data. The effects of price x1 has a significant value of 0.002, which means that the value is smaller than 0.05. It can be consulted that the effect of price has significant effect on the decision to purchase goods. Product quality has significant value of 0.683, which means its value is greater than 0.05. It can be consulted that product quality has no significant effect on purchasing decision. Brand image have significant value of 0.084, which means its value is greater than 0.05. It can be consulted the brand image has not significant effect on purchasing decision for goods. And the last, with analysis of variance or ANOVA method, a collection of statistical models and associated estimation procedure used to analyze difference among group means. The ANOVA test was invented and introduced by Ronald Fisher and stands for analysis of variance. It is a statistical test procedure similar to the t-test. The advantage of ANOVA is that it can differ difference in more than two groups. The F-test was conducted with a confidence level of 95% with p equal 0.05. Test result with using the SPSS version. The next is conclusion. The purpose of this study was to examine the effect of price, product quality, brand image on motorcycle purchasing decision. This study uses multiply regression analysis with data processing using the SPSS. The price variable, or X1, has a positive influence on the motorcycle purchase decision variable, accepting the first hypothesis, which means that the price is affordable by consumers' purchasing power, price compatibility with quality, and price competitiveness with other similar products have been able to increase motorcycle purchase decision. And this is the reference. That's all for me. Please apologize if there are mistakes or shortcomings. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.